In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use guides and rulers in Figma for effective alignment in your design projects. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting, mastering these tools can elevate the precision and professionalism of your designs. First, let's dive into Figma, the collaborative interface design tool we all know and love. Open your preferred browser and navigate to Figma's website. At the top right corner, you'll see an option to log in. Click there to begin. Log in using your credentials, which will take you directly to the Figma homepage, the gateway to all your projects and designs. Once you're on the homepage, look for the design section or your recent projects where you'll be practicing today. Click on a project to open up the design interface. Now that you have your workspace open, let's move forward to accessing the guides and rulers, essential tools for aligning your design elements precisely. Direct your attention to the main menu, usually found in the top left corner of Figma's interface. With a simple click, a drop-down will appear. From there, locate and click on View to reveal a host of options that tweak the visual aids of your workspace. Under the View menu, you'll find Layout Guides. Clicking this option will bring up guides in your workspace. Guides act like virtual lines you can use to align your elements consistently. They're perfect for ensuring all your visual components are in harmony, which can enhance the readability and aesthetics of your design. Next, within the same view menu, you'll see rulers. By clicking on rulers, you'll equip your workspace with horizontal and vertical rulers just like those on a drafting table. Dragging from these rulers will create guides you can drag from the edge to wherever you desire alignment. Rulers can be particularly helpful in maintaining consistent spacing between elements and ensuring everything lines up nicely, especially when designing interfaces with many components. Now, if at any point your design needs a cleanup, or you want to hide these guides to view your work without the visual aids, you can simply revisit the view menu and click on these options again to toggle them off. This feature assists in keeping your workspace uncluttered and helps you focus on other aspects of your design. These tools in Figma elevate your designs through precision and clear organization. Remember, aligning elements not only makes your design aesthetically pleasing, but also enhances user experience by creating a predictable and seamless interface. And there you have it, a straightforward method to use guides and rulers in Figma. These subtle yet powerful tools will undoubtedly boost the quality of your layouts. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial aids in your design journey.